Hi, I'm Brian Lucas, president of EA Talent Solutions, a newly formed service line here at EisnerAmper. Our goal is to make sure that all of our current clients, as well as our organically sourced clients from the outside, are given the best possible talent solutions and talent acquisition. Our main focus is recruiting for clients, recruiting for higher level searches, whether it be the C-suite, or it could be also in the lower level, which could be administrative positions.
Hi, I'm Ashley Malchuk, Director here at EA Talent Solutions. What are the biggest challenges companies are facing in recruiting?
Talent. The people out there are not out there really. As you know, the best possible candidate is going to be those that are passive, those that are currently working, not looking for a job, but we find them, we call them, we get them interested in their opportunity, and then hopefully the client then sells the opportunity just as well as we did. So I would say our biggest challenge is the candidate pool.
Brian, tell us more about EA Talent Solutions and how Talent Solutions can help.
EA Talent Solutions is a newly formed service line here at EisnerAmper. Our mission is to accommodate our current clients with staffing solutions, executive placement, staff augmentation, whatever kind of employee life cycle they need. We are open to helping them in any way possible. Again, these are current clients of the firm. We will extend the same level of service that they are used to here at EisnerAmper. And as a result of that, we can be a one-stop shop for all of their needs.
What trends are shaping the talent landscape today?
I think AI is a big thing. AI is scaring a lot of people. I think that in our business, the personal touch is never going to be replaced by an AI. I think that we need to be able to examine a candidate, be able to speak to a candidate face-to-face, be able to understand what their push buttons are, whether it be a benefits driven, whether it be title driven, whether it be salary driven. AI can't handle that. So I think in our space, while AI can certainly source candidates, we need to be the ones that are going to make sure that the candidates are right for the role.
What does it mean to have EA as a partner?
EisnerAmper is a leading professional services firm throughout the country. We have lots of clients. We have a sophisticated client base. And as a result, EA Talent Solutions will just be a continuation of that level of service. We'll be instrumental in helping attract and retain quality candidates. We are here for the whole process to make sure that the retention is just as good as the acquisition and the recruitment of these candidates.
What's next for EA Talent Solutions?
So building upon EisnerAmper's expertise in various industries, whether it be real estate, whether it be manufacturing distribution, whether it be cannabis, whether it be anything, we are part of EisnerAmper, and as a result, we are subject matter experts in those industries. And we look to recruit in those industries. So if anybody's looking for somebody in those industries, we are the people that you should be calling. That's what's next, to build out our expertise and our reach amongst industries that EisnerAmper is experts in.